Hello, everybody. Let's go full screen. Wow. Okie dokie, I am back. Um, I said in my last video I was going to show you the contracts and totally forgot. So, let's do that. But first, I'm going to get rid of this rain. Let's go up here. I have it on night, and I made it rain the other day. But, where is the rain? I probably missed it. Oh, I want. Oh, clear weather. That's what I want. Yep. Oh, doke. Yeah, much better. It's got to rain a little bit everywhere, every now and again, but let's show you the contract guys now. I have them all done. Oh, looks like there's somebody coming soon. That's good. That's good. That'll give me something to do. Now, we'll just get out through here and just show you. Now, this will tell you what you get when you're done with it. So, if you don't want to know, skip it. This is what you're working for. Of course, every time you complete one, you get their station, and then they give you a little bit of, you can, build on their station, change things around, and they all give you like a little prize. So, when I completed this one, I got 50 gems. Okay. And it'll show you here, it'll say, I will hereby grant you, and then it'll put your name in there, okay? This is basically the same, but this is what's different down here. And when I started, I did like 2 or 3 at a time, and worked from the easy ones to the hard ones. You can skip around and do whatever you want. But that's that one. And of course this one is the same up here. And then here he gave me 150 gems and control, of course. And oh, I got the desert theme from him. There's this guy. Oh, he gave me an international slot. What a George. Oh, all his depot slots. I can't remember if it was one or if it was multiple. But those are free. You don't have, it gives you those. You don't have to buy them. Auto. I give you a whole station or a whole storage capacity, so increase that for you or for me. All this gives you, when you complete him, it gives you a 10% discount on buildings. Okay, Jules. Oh, he gives you a theme, Steamopia theme. Okay. Alden. Gives you 10% on Mystery Depot in your shop. I grant you 100% bonus on Locomotive Dispatch, so you got more, more XP. Some of them, they get better. Okay, she gave you a couple of train slots, which enables you more trains. Oh, she gives you the rain. This was a good one. I'll give you 3 train slots. Yeah, so you can have 3 more trains running. That was a good one. He gave you a building, replace your station, will raise your passenger base all 100%. That's good. He gave me the Red Planet theme. And and this was pretty cool. On Megavals, you can send them to Mars. It's a special thing that's 15 minutes, but you can only send a Megaval or Mega, however you say that. And that's just for your locals, but that's pretty cool. You can really turn them around if you want, real fast. So that's everybody, and can't wait till this guy comes, or person, whoever it might be, because right now I have none to do. So that was that. Flags. Let's see. I don't like putting them on this station, so I always go to another station. Here's my express. No, these are my international, I'm sorry. Alright, let's put some more flags down here, kick things up a little bit. Like I said, I'll use gems till I run out. Okay, I don't have any more gems currently. I'm not going to buy any right now. So that's got a storage. Flags. We'll just use a couple of these guys to fill it in. They're always, you know, they're the free ones people give you. I'll use them. Most of them, last a few days longer, like 4 days. These will last. Some of the other ones aren't quite as long. Alright, one more. I always like to have my passenger limit. I really don't need the income, so I tend to use these more. Okay, we're filled up. Let's see. Who's sending me trains? Ooh. A lot of good ones. Yeah. Good ones. Okay. Then we can do that in conjunction. I mean, we can bounce around and do everything. I generally send these out first, and then I deal with the internationals and sending them and receiving them. Let's send these guys out. Let's see what we can do. Let's do 10. Because I'm going to be here a little bit. I have a feeling these trains, until I get them all sent, are going to be coming back with 10 minutes. But we'll see. I'll show you that 15-minute one, like right here. And you can see how much more efficient it is. I could send this train for 30 minutes for 1,800 steel, or I do this for 28. So you can see there's quite a difference. And even if I do 10 twice, that would be 2,000. This is still more for 15. So that's just, you know, when you're doing your things, I always look first to see which is the better deal. And like I said in the past video, if you're going to be going to work, school, you're going to be going for 8 hours, you know, go ahead and send it for 8. But if you're sitting here, you know, what the heck, might as well get the most bang for your buck, so to speak. We'll do these instead of, we're doing the other ones 10, but we'll do this 15 just because it pays so much more. And this is Mars. And you have to complete Ethan 2 to get that destination. Otherwise, seeing it when it blacks out for regular trains, of course, can't use it. So, how was everybody's past week or so? I hope it was good. Hope everybody's Memorial Day went well. Mine was kind of boring, just did things in the computer, nothing exciting. These guys coming pretty fast. Those of you didn't see this last time, I have 46 trains. So that takes a little bit of time to get them all unloaded. And we'll send them out in 10 minutes. It might keep me busy. But that's good if you want to stay on the game. It's good. Anyhow, I have 26 internationals. And I have 53 slots. Like I said previously, it's just basically my sets. And they're not all here. But it's easier to keep them together. Today was an update, so we'll have to see what's new. Okay, let's get out here. Oh, 42. That's kind of low. I was on a little while ago though, collecting them. Oh, hey, Todd. Todd's a guy I used to work with, real good guy. He's a heavy train station player also. And anybody that does play this game or is thinking about playing this game, there's lots of groups that'll help you out there. On Facebook, of course. I would recommend my group, Andy's Hardcore Trainers. People will help you, send you materials, and so forth. There's a Choo Choo Train Station group, which is a good group of guys, people. It's not just guys. There's a lot of women play the game. Anyhow, check out my group or George's group. George is the Choo Choo Train Station, and mine's Andy's Hardcore Trainers. Just gives a search and, you know, join. Feel free to post on the pages and stuff like that. I try to get on there and post things as I see them, you know, from the train station site. Like I said, there's people out there you can check the group out, send friend requests out. Get lots of friends. I mean, I have, like I showed earlier in the other video, I have lots of friends. I have some friends at some crazy levels too here, as you can see. I mean, wow. Can you imagine? I'm only like 436, and look at these people. And the more friends you have, of course, you can click on them. Gather mail. If they have the mail symbol, you're getting mail. If they have the time, then it's there's materials, trains sitting there also. And you notice all I do here is click the engine. and that is due to one-click cargo. And I also have one-click passenger, which I highly recommend. Uh, without it, you have to click each individual car, and with that, you are limited to size. When you have the one-click cargo, I have trains that have 70 some cars, and all I do is click the engine. So I would definitely recommend getting that at whatever level it. I forget which level it's available at, but when you get there, get it. Like I said, I just click an engine, send it, boom, I'm done. I don't have to go click, 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 click. And I also use the train fade because, especially with me, some of these trains that I send or that come to me have quite a bit of cars, and you click it, just the engine, and it unloads it real quick for you, but then you sit for 5 minutes and watch this train roll by, which, if you want to do that, do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm quite busy, so I want to move along. So I definitely use the train fade. Feature. And that would be right here. Now, see, I have it enabled right now, so my option is to disable it, which I don't want to do. Here you can hide the flags. Boom, gone. Boom, they're back. Well, you don't want low. I don't want low quality. There's volumes. I like to do this. I have it enabled, so when I spend gems, it tells me, because I've clicked the wrong thing at times that I don't want to spend gems, and of course it prompts you. It's like, oh, I didn't want to click that. No, I don't want to use gems there. So I like that feature. And then of course I have music and stuff. I should give you some sound, huh? So just me talking. There we go. I usually, when I'm playing myself, I know what the sounds are. So, but I'll turn them on. That gets a little loud. We're gonna turn off the choo-choo trains. We all know what they sound like. We'll leave the music on. Okay. And like I said, these are just, I have a good group of people to send me trains. So, well, I told you before, I just go to senders and I send everything down through here. And if you sent me something, I will send you something back. Guaranteed. Oh, no one fail. I usually, most times I'll just send them in the same order, but I'll show you here what I'm talking about. This is kind of usually, I just receive and send. Now, if I keep sending these in the same order, it pretty much to the same people. So sometimes I'll skip a train around so that people get a different one. So it's not getting the same. Bill, get out of there. I hit the button, right? There we go. Alright. Oop. How to get Bill again? Get higher. Live Troy a train here. Alrighty. Like I said, I just, keep doing this. Get these guys rolling here. Alright, like I said, this one-click cargo works here too. Instead of having to click every car, just click the edge, and away they go. Which is really nice. And always, if no, get my mind distracted. Where did I end? Yeah, I do this every time. It's at least once. Get back here. I have little problems with my mouse today. Alright. Oh, looks like all my trains. Look, they're back already. You can tell up here. Which I figured they'd be back pretty good time. We're just gonna send that one just to a few people. Back to the top. Eric Walker. Alright. Now we're just gonna throw this last one just down here to the bottom of the list. Alrighty. And as you can see, express waiting. And look, my trains, till I did all that, my trains are back. So, let's try 30s. Now these are all the 10-minute jobs. The 15s aren't back yet. Excuse me. Oh, there we got mail. This is New York at night. I kind of like this new theme. You can. I have a lot of junk in here, but you can see Statue of Liberty. That's pretty cool. Anyhow, this is the New York night. I'm using the New York twice, actually. There is the New York day on my second station. I just love this New York, so I used it twice. You can do whatever you want. I love the little subway. Runs through it. Okay. Alright, 30, and you can see it's a 4-star efficiency. We're gonna do these guys 15 again because you can see it's more double this 18 was what I would get in a half hour and only get 11. See, so you just gotta do the math on some of these. Like I said, Ethan 2 gives you this Mars destination. And like I said, I want to be here playing the game myself, whether I'm recording or not, for a little while. So I'm gonna do these short runs and, like I said, get. Oops, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do. That's okay. It's alright. It's gonna be okay. Alright. See, my brain and my thumb and mouse here get on a routine, and I know where to go. Bing, bing. I accidentally set my mag lift for 30 instead of the 15, but that's okay. That is okay. There's my witch and Santa Claus, which I guess if you look at my site, there's Santa Claus too. You think I'm crazy, but you know what? I kind of like them folks, so I let them up year round. Doesn't matter to me. I mean, I do Christmas, I usually have decorations and winter theme. You'll see me go to snow and usually pick a winter theme. When it gets cold and snowy here. Use nice weather summer themes during the summer. Just something I do. I mean, where you are, it may be warm all year and you don't ever see snow. That's fine. But you'll see the winter themes more in the winter time with me. And the summer-like ones. When it's nice. And some of these were stuff that I received during contracts. You know, like Lucy here, I got this. That, you know, different contracts got me different things. So, the Santa Claus stuff, they were seasonal themes that come up during this Christmas season, and they give you some of this stuff. Alright, like I said, so yeah, this is pretty much using these 6 or 10 minutes, just constantly sending trains out. So, you know, with a 30, you might not get as much, but gives me a little more time to get them all out in the next round in. I would imagine if I use 6 minutes, I would just sit there and just send train, because it would take over 6 minutes to get them all going. They'd be back already. Anyhow. Shop. See, I messed up, and what's new in the update I missed. It comes up like one time. So I don't know, it's just some of these other special offers. As you can see, these I highly recommend, and most of them you can, you know, pull what you want. You can buy this train, and you don't have to buy the passenger cars. You can just buy this, and it will cost you nothing to send out. But of course, you get the bonuses, as you can see here, if you buy the sets. With this one, pulling XP of freight, you're not going to get that 30% Summon Express. But if you buy the whole train, then you do. You get a little more out of it. But like I said, if you have, I got buku passenger trains, so you can buy this one cheaper, but then it's going to cost you 382 units every time you send it out. And that is whether it's 10 minutes, 6 minutes, or 2 days. It just costs that units to send that train. It doesn't cost more to send it longer or less to send it shorter. The tax is the same every time. It's just no matter how long you're sending it for. But these I love. I have lots of these every time. And I just bought one the other day, so I probably won't buy this one. But these are great. You can send trains 6 minutes, 6 minutes, and your gold, like this one's electric, so uranium's not going to drop. It's totally free. So I love those, and I recommend those to buy those when you get any chance you get. Now I still have trains that, you know. Oh, look at that. What is this? Huh. That's pretty neat. Look at the buy XP on that. It's pretty good. The cost is pretty crazy. That's pretty neat. You buy stuff like this will help you along. You know, as far as leveling. That's what I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe. Revello608. I need some peeps, man. So hit that subscribe button. It's free. And of course, if you like the video, click that too. And you all have a wonderful day.